Hi, this is Dave Nuzzi talking to you about directories, glass directories, or acrylic. Today we're changing out the hacks. We've got a maintenance call here. Change out the tenant hacks, change them to prime title. You can see this directory is nice and clean. It's been around a while, this one. It still looks new. 3/8 acrylic. It's got the brushed aluminum standoffs, raised 1/8 acrylic text with a brushed aluminum laminate. So you've got some nice dimension there. But this is an affordable directory. It's well worth the money, and the cost to change a tenant is low. You're just talking about vinyl. We clean it up quick, a little denatured alcohol in there, and you've got your new tenant on. We're careful to always make sure the fonts and the colors are dead on perfect. So sometimes you can see some folks don't take the care to make sure the fonts are right on. It doesn't look good over time. We always make sure we're right on. Love working with office parks and offices out there. Capital District right now, not we have other product and things going on the East Coast, but love doing this work. Whether it's maintenance or just brand new product, doesn't matter. Give us a call. Here's the finished product. You can also see with a darker text on the third floor that the landlord wanted it darker, better, more contrast. Just about ready to make that change. Give us a call. We'll help you out with maintenance or brand new.